When it comes to making smooth, creamy, and flavorful frozen desserts at home, choosing the right ice cream maker can completely change your experience. Not all machines are built the same, and the difference often comes down to freezing method, churning efficiency, capacity, convenience, and texture quality. Some machines require pre-freezing bowls, while others come with built-in compressors that deliver faster and more consistent results. In this guide, we'll walk through the top 5 best ice cream maker machines, helping you find the perfect option based on your needs. Whether you want quick single servings or premium, batch after batch performance, don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Kicking things off at number 5 is the Dashmug Ice Cream Maker, a compact and fun option designed for personal use. This machine is all about convenience and simplicity, making it ideal for individuals or couples who want quick, small servings of ice cream without dealing with large equipment. The Dashmug works with a pre-frozen mug-style bowl, meaning you'll need to freeze it in advance before use. Once ready, it can churn out a serving in around 15 to 20 minutes, which is perfect for spontaneous dessert cravings. This type of machine is especially appealing for beginners because it's incredibly easy to use. You simply add your ingredients, turn it on, and let it do the work. While it doesn't produce the same ultra-creamy texture as high-end compressor models, it still delivers enjoyable results for casual use. Its small footprint also makes it perfect for kitchens with limited counter space. If you're looking for a simple, affordable, and space-saving option, the Dashmug is a great entry point into homemade ice cream. Moving up to number 4, the Pukonk Ice Cream Maker machine offers a step up in versatility while still maintaining affordability. This machine is designed for small households and typically includes multiple bowls, allowing you to prepare more than one flavor in a short period of time. Like many entry-level machines, it requires pre-freezing, but once ready, it can produce soft-serve-style ice cream in about 20 to 30 minutes. What makes the Pukonk machine appealing is its balance between simplicity and functionality. It's easy to operate, easy to clean, and compact enough for everyday use. It's a great option for families who want to experiment with different flavors without investing in a high-end model. While it may not deliver the same dense, professional texture as compressor machines, it provides excellent value for beginners and casual users who want reliable performance at a lower price point. At number 3, the Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker brings a classic, old-school approach to ice cream making. This machine uses a traditional ice and salt method combined with an electric churner, which creates a fun and nostalgic experience while still producing large batches of ice cream. It's especially popular for family gatherings, parties, and outdoor events where making ice cream becomes part of the experience. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its capacity. It can produce significantly larger batches compared to compact models, making it ideal for sharing. However, it does require more preparation, including adding ice and salt to create the freezing environment. Testing shows that while these traditional machines can be fun, they often require more effort and don't always produce the same smooth consistency as modern compressor models. That said, the Nostalgia machine is perfect for those who enjoy the process as much as the result. It delivers that homemade feel and is a great choice for anyone who wants a hands-on ice cream making experience. Stepping up to number 2, the Cuisinart Fast Freeze Ice Cream Maker represents one of the most trusted and reliable options on the market. Cuisinart machines are known for their consistent performance, ease of use, and ability to produce creamy ice cream with minimal effort. These machines typically use a double-insulated freezer bowl that must be pre-frozen. But once ready, they can churn ice cream in as little as 20 minutes. One of the key advantages of Cuisinart models is their simplicity. With straightforward controls and dependable results, they are often recommended as one of the best choices for beginners. Many users appreciate how quickly they can produce smooth, soft-serve style ice cream, although the texture can be slightly less dense compared to compressor machines. Makes ice cream in 20 minutes, produces creamy texture. Online user feedback also highlights their reliability and ease of use. Affordable and easy to use, decent ice cream in a short time. If you want a dependable mid-range machine that consistently delivers good results, the Cuisinart Fast Freeze is a strong choice. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Winter Automatic Ice Cream Maker, a premium machine designed for serious ice cream lovers. What sets this model apart is its built-in compressor, which eliminates the need for pre-freezing entirely. This means you can make ice cream anytime without planning ahead, and even produce multiple batches back to back. Compressor machines like Winter consistently deliver superior results because they freeze and churn simultaneously, resulting in smaller ice crystals and smoother texture. Testing shows that these machines produce thicker, creamier ice cream compared to traditional freezer bowl models. The Winter machine is also praised for its ease of use and high-quality output. It allows you to experiment with different recipes, from classic ice cream to gelato and sorbet, all with professional-level consistency. Community feedback strongly supports its performance as well. Reliable, durable, and make great product. While it's more expensive and takes up more space than entry-level machines, the convenience and results make it worth the investment for anyone serious about homemade frozen desserts. When choosing an ice cream maker, it's important to consider how often you plan to use it and what kind of results you expect. If you want quick and easy desserts for occasional use, a compact model like Dashmug or Puconk will do the job. If you're making ice cream regularly and want better consistency, a machine like Cuisinart offers a great balance of performance and affordability. For those who want the best possible texture and convenience, a compressor model like Winter is the clear winner. Another important factor is preparation time. Freezer bowl machines require planning ahead, as the bowl must be frozen for several hours before use. Compressor machines, on the other hand, are ready whenever you are, making them more convenient for spontaneous use. Capacity also matters. If you're making ice cream for a family or gatherings, a larger machine like Nostalgia or Winter will be more suitable. For individuals or small households, compact machines are often more practical. In the end, the best ice cream maker is the one that fits your lifestyle. Whether you're looking for convenience, performance, or affordability, there's a perfect option for you. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best ice cream maker machines. From the compact and convenient Dashmug ice cream maker, the budget-friendly Puconk ice cream maker machine, the classic Nostalgia electric ice cream maker, the reliable Cuisinart fast freeze ice cream maker, to our top pick, the powerful Winter automatic ice cream maker. There's a perfect machine here for every type of user. Which one would you choose to start making your own delicious homemade ice cream? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals so you can grab the perfect ice cream maker for your kitchen today. Thanks for watching.